So in the previous video, we discussed about how we can generate presentation using a lot of text using the summarize feature of Magic Slides app. Then we discussed about how we can generate presentation with just the topic using text to the topic to presentation feature of Magic Slides app. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the language feature, which is basically you can provide the text in any language of your choice. And the presentation will be generated in the language of your choice. So let's see how this works. So let's say I'm generating a presentation, but I have the information in a different language. First, we will start with English content and the generation to be in Hindi. So the presentation will be generated in Hindi, but the content which we have provided will be in English. So we have done this actually before, but this is the language video. So let's go ahead and do that. So we will talk about OpenAI and we will say Wikipedia. We'll go to this Wikipedia page. There's a lot of information about OpenAI. I'll scroll down and copy all this information till here, I guess. Yep. And then I'll click and paste this in the reference text of summarize. Then what I will do is I'll provide the slide count to be 15 maybe. And I'll provide the language, which is the language of your presentation, to be Hindi. I did not do much of it. I just pasted the information, the text from Wikipedia, and then I provided the language to be Hindi. Now all I need to do is just click on generate. Once I'll do that, I'll just need to wait a few seconds, or you can say a few minutes, and the presentation will be generated. Okay, so as you can see, the presentation is generated. It started with OpenAI, Kriti Prayogshala, Parichay, which is the introduction. Sthapna evam netritva. This is more of like how it got like. So yeah, we have the whole presentation generated. Again, the images. One thing which many people might think that images are not always relevant. Um, they are usually as best possible, but the biggest thing is if you are expecting a logo of OpenAI and things of that nature, we don't add that because those are copyrighted images. All the images which the Magic Slides app adds, they are from Pexels. We also use Unsplash, but these images are copyrighted free. So that's why we choose them. If you want to, for example, let's say I go in here, I want to use the logo of OpenAI. So I'll click on this replace image feature and then I'll click on search web. Then I'll say OpenAI and you can see we have the logos, right? But we need a kind of a vertical image. I don't think this can replace properly. Maybe I can get that here. Maybe like that. Oh. Yeah, something like that maybe. Yeah, so now it's no more by pixels, so I can get rid of that. So overall, like you can just change these images if you like. If you don't like these images, you can just get them from Google. It's perfectly all right. We just don't want us to be responsible for the problem, so we give you the images which are totally copyrighted free. You have no problem with them, but these images you need to just try to give some link or something. Otherwise, if you share this, I don't know, it can be a problem, whatever. So yeah, you can change all these images according to your choice, and the presentation is generated. Now let's see from topic, right? So I'll provide a topic. Let's say I have shown this particular topic before. So I'll talk about the positive impact of social media. This is actually a very interesting topic. I feel like many people discuss a lot about negative stuff of social media. So let's see what AI have to say about the positives. We'll choose a different language. I'm gonna try something very interesting I haven't tried, Chinese language. So I'm going to click on generate now. Again, we will give the AI a few seconds. It can take a minute or two and the presentation will be generated. Chinese language is actually very interesting, very different from English. So I'm quite excited. Okay, so there it is. I don't understand a thing. So if any of you know Chinese, do let me know. I just understand the numbering though. 1 2 3 4 5 6. But yeah, it's pretty good. To check this, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to say Google Translate. Introduction, perfect. Social media has revolution. Okay, I'm satisfied. So yeah, you can see we tried the summarize feature to generate a presentation in different language. This reference text does not have to be in English. So let me show you that as well. Okay, so I'm in Bangalore right now. So if I'll so most popular language here is this Kannada. So I'm going to click on that. If you don't understand, don't worry, neither do I. So I'll copy that, I'll paste it here, and I'll generate the presentation in English. You know what? Maybe some other language. Let's try Gujarati. Okay. And we will click on generate now. And let's just give it a few seconds and I'll be right back once it's generated. So with the recent updates in AI, actually the speed of generation has improved a lot. So what you saw was the timer was still at 42 seconds, but the presentation got generated. We started the timer at 100, so it took around 50, let's say 60 seconds, right? That's like a minute. In a minute, the presentation is ready. So this is in Gujarati. Again, I don't understand, but it looks beautiful. I like the language and everything. But yeah, look at it. Like we have an amazing presentation generated, and just to test it out, I'm going to copy this, paste it in Google Translate. Products and application. Okay, yeah, products and application. These are all by OpenAI. Let's see, what does this mean? Key people. Huh. Oh, what are these names? Oh my God, it's actually very good. I'm happy with it. So yeah, go ahead. Try Magic Slides application. If you haven't seen the previous video, you can check them out. I have gone in bit more detail about the summarize feature. I have given a very good idea in how it works in this video as well. But yeah, if you have any particular feedback, any feature request, or any questions, please feel free to let them know. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.